tumayan sa sports. Fair naman yung laro natin kanina. And siguro, gusto ko rin magpasalamat siguro sa mga ganun write-up na because of that siguro write-up na na-challenge yung team. Not only the players but also yung buong team namin. Siyempre, part kami sa sulat din na nanumabas mo kanina. So yun, prior to the game, we open up that yung topic na about that write-up. I think we were all challenged with that statement.
Where did you attribute to the lopsided performance of are you really surprised with the excellent performance of your players in 3 games?
3 games. 3 games.
3 games.
In the 3 games. As a coach, it's better to have a team na pataas yung laro kaysa bumaba. So overall, yung first game namin, we lost to Tocatex. At least yung next 2 games, we recovered well sa family sad loss against Tocatex. So for me, I'm happy right now kung ano yung status ng napuntahan ng team. And siguro it's a good win going to Sunday's game against Meralco. So sana makatulong sa